Good morning, guys. Today I am going to hike the White Pockets. This is located at northern Arizona, border Utah. Since I cannot get a permit for the wave, I wanted to do this hike anyway. I came here last night around 7. I was rushing to the trailhead to see the sunset, but I couldn't make it, so I waited for the next day.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You're digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Wow, those lines and wave on the rock and how it's formed, it's amazing. I bet this cost thousands of years in the making, maybe more.
Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
I put down my GoPro on a tripod so it can take videos of me, but it's too damn windy, it broke my GoPro. Anyway, just the LCD. And look at this view! Incredible! Whew, it's so windy. I managed to get up here, even the wind is pushing me. I'm holding on to my dear life. Gosh, I found a hole to hide. I'm still on top of this mountain. I was crawling from top there all the way down here so I could avoid the wind and let it pass. I think the wind already passed, so this is my chance to go all the way down. I'm not wasting chance anymore. I'm going. Yeah, bird is fighting the wind too. I was on the very top of that rock and the wind blew so strong thought it was the end of me.